Hi everyone, I am so excited to return to New York City on October 18th. I'm teaching a masterclass on auditioning for film and television and whatever else you need it for. The thing that I love is the opportunity to help you create. Most of my actors have come to me because they have so much fear of getting the job and they're so in the technical mind versus the creative mind. To create is joyful. To be fearful is not something you want to do. So I'm going to help you be specific. I'm going to help you create the slices of life that are not written in the script, and we're going to have a fabulous time. So please come, and here's the information. One day on camera masterclass, October 18th, $325 for the day. And if you don't have the money and you just want to observe, please come for $75, and you'll get a really good understanding of how I teach creation of life and how to get out of your mind into your body. And I'll let you know where it's going to be. Hope to see you there.